In the previous video, we already calculate the base prefix we can use for 12 PC. And we also already determine which IP we will use, which is 172.16.10.0, and the prefix is /28. Now in this video, we are going to calculate the total IP and subnet mask. But before continue watching this video, make sure that you already try to calculate by yourself. If done, pause this video now and try to calculate by yourself first. But if you have done, let's continue to this video. Okay, now let's calculate the total IP. The formula is 2 to the power of 32 minus by the prefix. In this case, the prefix is /28. 32 minus by 28 is 4. So, 2 to the power of 4. The result is 16. So, the total IP for prefix /28 is 16. Next, we are going to calculate subnet mask. The formula is 256 minus by the total IP. In this case, the total IP is 16. So, 256 minus by 16. The result is 240. Remember that this number will replace the last number in the subnet mask. So, the subnet mask for prefix /28 is 255.255.250. Okay, now we have successfully calculated the total IP and the subnet mask. In the next video, we are going to calculate network IP and broadcast IP. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.